Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to make fried chicken for the chicken burgers, or you can put it in the wraps. And let's start to marinate the chicken. I have cut the chicken in strips like that. It's not too thin, it's not too thick. So I have 1 kg of chicken, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon or less than half oregano, 1.5 teaspoon of garlic granules, and 1 teaspoon black pepper. I just have to combine everything together so the chicken is well coated. I have mixed it very nicely. All the coating is distributed in every single piece. Nothing's missing. So now I'm going to leave it in the fridge for 2 hours and then we'll fry it. For the coating, I have 2 cups of plain flour, and I have added 1.5 teaspoon of salt in there and 1 teaspoon MSG, and I have to mix it really well. And now put the full piece of chicken in there, coat it with the flour, swirl it around like that. And then give it a dip in the water, lift it up, put it back in the flour. Just a quick little dip, don't leave it in there for too long, and then coat the flour on both sides. This is how you coat every single piece. And then we will put them in the rack. This is the time when you use your hands and just rub them nicely. You have to kind of knead it, how you do with the dough. You have to do it with soft hands. Don't squeeze it too hard so the top layer doesn't come off. Here you can see. Just press like that, and then you shake off the excess flour and then put it on the rack. So coat all of the pieces and then we'll start to fry. Now the oil is hot. You just have to place the chicken carefully in the oil and just add 4 pieces at a time. Do not overcrowd it. And once the chicken goes in, you set the timer for 7 minutes. Then you have to leave it for a few seconds when you put it in there, maybe 30-40 seconds, and then we will start to mix it. It's been a minute now, and we will flip the side of the chicken. It's been 5 minutes and you can see the color of the chicken, beautiful and golden. Make sure it doesn't get darker than this. Keep the flame from low to medium. And we will take it out once 7 minutes timer goes off. It's 7 minutes. Let's take this chicken out before it gets burned. Very beautiful, crispy, and golden. You can see that it's still sizzling. So here is the final look of our very nice, crispy, crunchy chicken. It's white from inside, well made, well cooked. Let's start to make the burgers. I'm going to make burger sauce. For that I'm going to need 60 grams of mayonnaise, and half of 60 is 30, so 30 grams of salad cream and 1 teaspoon of mustard. And you combine all of them, mix well, and here we have some lettuce. And now we will make the burgers. Now let's make the burger. I have toasted the buns in the air fryer. Place the cheese at the bottom, and this chicken in there. And on the other half of the bun, you should put that burger sauce. Not too much. That's it. And now some lettuce on top of the chicken. And that's one ready. And on this one, I'm going to do some sriracha sauce. Lettuce. And that. So our burger is ready. And we can serve this with some hash browns or chips, whatever you like, and some salad on the side. But you can put this in the microwave for 10 seconds and then it's ready to serve.